If you're selling someone else's products or services in the automotive industry, personal branding and expert positioning can completely change the game for you. And most likely, you're not doing what we're about to talk about, especially if you're in a service-focused business. So listen clearly, because here's the secret. Building your brand around your expertise and selling educational products or services is the key to diversifying your income streams, boosting your credibility, and helping you attract new clients. But you want to know how you can do this when most companies and vendors want you to sell their stuff by talking about their product or service, when selling that way actually makes it harder for you to succeed. What you should be doing is focusing on the solution your product provides. Don't just talk about the product itself, highlight the results it delivers and how it solves problems for your customers. To truly stand out amongst the crowd, you need to position yourself as an expert who solves problems, not someone just selling products. Start by considering the impact your product has on users, and then ask yourself, what's the result someone will get from using it? Once you have that answer, write a book about the payoff, about the solution without mentioning the product or company by name. Your book will act as proof. It will build trust because it provides value before you ever ask for anything in return. At the end of your book, offer your readers a way to take the next step. It could be a coaching call with you, or you could offer to help them build a home-based business, because by the time they finish your book, they will already see you as the expert who can help them. And if you need even more of a reason to write a book, well, with the help of AI, it's never been easier to write a book. And when you do write your book, you will automatically position yourself as an authority. You will no longer just be selling someone else's product. You will be the expert delivering results. And when people trust you, they're more likely to choose you over anyone else. And I brought examples like automotive auctioneers could shift from transactional focus to becoming thought leaders by creating content about vehicle evaluation, auction strategies, or market trends. Tire dealers, you could set yourselves apart by creating books or courses on tire maintenance, road safety, the performance tire market, or even what kind of tires are best for alternative fueled vehicles. There's a lot of content there. Vehicle detailing service. You can brand yourself as an expert by creating books or courses for the DIY market on vehicle care and appearance enhancement. Vehicle wrap installers have a growing market, but few of you have tapped into the educational side of this business. Guides or courses on wrap design and marketing could create significant new revenue streams. Fuel suppliers, you lack personal branding or direct customer engagement, but by focusing on energy efficiency, environmental impact, or fuel saving tips, you can position yourself as an expert in sustainability and efficiency. These are just a few examples of how focusing on the result rather than the product helps you build trust before you ever mention an offer. And once they trust you, they'll choose you when it's time to buy or sell. Now, are you interested in expanding your reach even further to amplify your personal brand and market dominance? Well, you should consider adding other forms of content for engagement, like hosting educational webinars or in-person workshops on your topic. Will position you as an educator, adding even more value to your business. You could align with other businesses in your industry to co-author books or courses or partner in events where you both will benefit from each other's audiences. You could be the keynote speaker at industry events, local business groups, or online conferences, generating more credibility and revenue. For niche areas like vehicle detailing or auctioneers, you could create certification programs, giving more weight to your expertise and creating an additional revenue stream. And let's reach out to both consumers and businesses. If you're in car sales, think about how you could educate other businesses on managing fleets, for instance. Look at emerging markets like electric vehicles. You could create content or programs tailored to these growing segments and establish yourself as a leader in the space. The beauty of writing a book, starting a blog, or giving a keynote speech is that it's not just about the product anymore. You're now solving a problem. People will remember that and they'll trust you because you've already demonstrated that you understand their needs. If you start a blog or a vlog and share your expertise consistently through these platforms, It will allow you to connect with your audience in an authentic way, reinforcing your authority while building goodwill and relationships. Just give your local blog or vlog a name that encourages business owners in your community to want to collaborate with you. Use it as a platform to interview local business owners and especially your ideal prospects. Build connections by asking them to talk about themselves, how they became an entrepreneur, what kind of customers or clients they're looking for, and what kind of partnerships and collaborations they are looking for. By showing genuine interest in their success, you will build goodwill and trust. You will be remembered, and more importantly, they will want to collaborate with you in the future. Focus on becoming a connector, someone who knows the key players in the market, and be the person people turn to for advice. The more they know, like, trust, and remember you before you make an offer, the easier it will be to grow your business. In conclusion, the secret to selling other people's products and dominating your market is becoming the trusted expert before you ever pitch a product or service. Whether it's through writing a book, launching a blog, or becoming a keynote speaker, the goal is to build trust through educational content. Once people trust you, they'll be eager to do business with you. And that's how you dominate your industry. Over here at the Real Kingman Corporation, we have many more strategies tailored to help you grow, scale, or exit your business in the automotive industry. So reach out now, and together we will unlock your full potential.